Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a video all about the reloaded palettes that have come out, the new ones that have come out. Yes, so we have palette issue number 5, 6, 7, 8 here. So we've got 8 palettes in total, but these are the new 4. So excited, so excited. Anyway, back to business. So I thought I would just do a recap video, or not a recap video, but a video just showing you all of the new palettes and talk about them, etc. And I will do a close-up of all of them now, and then we will have a little bit of a chat about them afterwards. So let's go through and just have a look what they all look like individually close up. there you go. You've seen all 4 of them close up. You've seen how gorgeous they are. Okay, down to the nitty gritty. Each of these now have a number on the back. So each palette pan has a number on the back. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it goes through, which is a pretty obvious thing. I'm just looking here. They are all PETA marked, so that means that they're cruelty free. Not sure if they're vegan, not sure if that actually means vegan. I will have to do a bit of research on that, but it does definitely mean that they are cruelty free. So you've got 15 grams, it's recycled packaging, and you've got a 12-month shelf life on there. You have a net weight of 15 pans at 0.04 ounces each. So that equates to 1.1 gram per pan. So it equates to roughly 16 and a half grams, which is quite a lot of product. These are available on the Revolution website. They're also available obviously on Superdrug. I have seen that they have been included in the 3 for 2 when Superdrug have had them on. You can obviously buy these at the Revolution website. Not sure about the partners yet, not sure when they're going to be in Ulta or when they're going to be in Boozy Shop. Haven't seen any details at all yet. I believe that these are available in Northern Ireland as well. But the good thing about these palettes are they are £4 each, and I mean £4 each. It's like ridiculous, you know. Rather than going and spending money on a cup of coffee at lunchtime, you could buy one of these, and then you've got like a year's worth of makeup in there. Well, a year's shelf life worth of makeup in there anyway. I do like the formula of these. I do love the reloaded palettes. I think the reloaded palettes are absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to talk about each one first off. I'm going to talk about first the basic mattes. Now the basic mattes is literally just a palette that has got the mattes in. You've got no shimmer in there at all. That I think is a good thing. Usually if you've got a palette that is just all shimmers, then you know that that palette is just for adding shimmer on top of your look already. You can't create a complete look out of this. You can create a complete look out of the basic mattes because you don't necessarily have to have a shimmer on your eye. In fact, if you've got hooded eyes, then it is better not to have a shimmer. Although I never actually listen to that because I like a shimmer on my eye, and that's that. Because at the end of the day, makeup is subjective and you do what you want. So yeah, basic mattes. I love these. I think these are pretty neutral. You've got some warm tones in there. You've got some cool tones in there. You've got your base shades, your transition shades, your outer corner shades. You've got shades in there to suit all skin types. If you're dark skinned, then you can obviously use these as highlight shades. You know, like to make the corner of your eye pop. So yeah, there is a shade in there for everybody, and I think that I think these are great. I think these are fabulous. So moving on to the next palette, which is Velvet Rose, which is this little baby here. You might look at that and think, well, no, that looks very, very familiar. Where have I seen that before? I think it is the dupe for the ABH Glam, which is £43, and this is less than 10% of that because it's £4. We've already been there, done that, we know. This is great. This has got quite a lot of mattes in. You've got 4 shimmer shades and 1 pressed glitter. So yeah, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And this is what I actually have on my eyes today, because I filmed this look earlier on. Might be up already, might not be up already, don't know. If you are interested in this look, yeah, you're going to want to watch it anyway because it is a full rundown of the whole palette. So the next palette that we'll be talking about, you may have seen that they've got the neutrals versus neutrals, then you've got neutrals 2, and then you've got this one which is neutrals 3. This is a hot palette. It's not just warm, it's just hot. It's like got all these beautiful deep and dark and sultry tones in there. You can't get a base shade out of it. to set your eyes if you are pale skin like me, if you are a pale skin. But you have got beautiful colours there that you can set if you are darker skin. And I love the fact that they are bringing out palettes that are really good for darker skin. I think these are beautiful. And again, you have 4 shimmers in there and 11 mattes. They are beautiful. I particularly love this red colour here. I think this is just like one of my favourite colours at the moment. It is absolutely gorgeous. Just swatch her on my hand really badly. There you go. She is beautiful. And then you've obviously got these beautiful rich golds and coppers. So absolutely love this. Not sure what this is a dupe of. Haven't actually heard if it's a dupe of anything. Some people have gone Desert Dusk. Definitely not. Definitely not Desert Dusk, because you've got more sort of purples in there. So yeah, if I do find out what it's a dupe of, I will pop it down below. Then the final one, the one that I'm the most excited about, because I haven't actually opened this and tried this yet, and that's the Visionary palette. And this is the purple palette. This is the one that everyone keeps saying. I am sure that that is a dupe of ABH Norvina palette. Now, if you don't know who Norvina is actually Claudia, who is Anastasia's daughter. And she has recently released a beautiful palette that is completely lilac, and then it's got all these gorgeous colours inside. And there are so many people that have gone dupe, 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 dupe. Now, alright, a dupe isn't necessarily a palette that a company has brought out to specifically copy another palette design or the colour shades within. A dupe means that you can duplicate all of those colours in that palette. Now, it could be that Norvina duped Revolution. Wouldn't be the first time it's happened if it did, because everybody said about the subculture and also the I cannot remember for the life of me the name of the other Reloaded palette, but they were saying that it was the chocolate mint palette, that they were saying that that was brought out as a dupe to the ABH subculture palette, and it was not. It was not. They did later bring out a dupe, and that is one of the Reloaded palettes, which I will link down below, because I can't remember the name of it, because I'm getting old now, you see. I'm getting old and baby brain mixed together. Ain't good, Batman. So I'm really, really excited to have a look at this, because I am really into my purples and blues, as you can see. I love colour. You've got a beautiful white colour here as well. Absolutely brilliant for making these colours really, really pop, especially if you're doing a cut crease, etc. Or if you lay down a white base, then you are going to get these colours to pop right off of your face. This is the most excited that I've been about one of these palettes, and I absolutely love these palettes. I think they're great. These palettes have replaced, in a sense, the iconic palettes that used to be before they were Revolution, when they were Makeup Revolution back in the early days. And I remember back in the early days when they brought them out, because I've been a Revaholic a long, long time. A long, long time. Yes, I haven't been a Revaholic right from the word go, because I wasn't into makeup right from the word go. And there was a lady that introduced me to all of these through her channel. And if it wasn't for her, basically, I would never have got into the... Well, it was because my daughter, Sophia, when she was about 2 years old, was watching a video about Peppa Pig. And she came across this lady, and this lady I started talking to... I started watching her videos, and she was doing makeup videos about Makeup Revolution, and I obviously got hooked into it. But we are talking very, very early days here, because I've been doing YouTube now for a while myself, and been collecting Revolution for a long time. So yeah, I mean, whatever happens, that lady, thank you, because you got me into it. And if you don't know who I'm talking about a really, really lovely lady who used to run the Revolution cult page. And yeah, it was down to her basically that got me started. So a big thank you. But yeah, these are the new palettes, and I think they are great. Personally, I think they are fantastic. So yeah, anyway, I hope to see you again in the next video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed this little bit of escape for about 10 minutes. But yeah, I will try and link all the videos to this down below so that you can see each one individually. But until then, ta-ta for now. Please subscribe, please give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-da for now.